Alright, folks. I'm talking to you right now as a drunken fuck. A lot of wine tonight. But I had the hiccups. And let's see if they're still there. Yes, they are. I have found a way to actually cure the hiccups. And this is a true story. They can be cured by this one simple thing. Okay? Drunk hiccups are a lot tougher to get rid of than these regular everyday hiccups. But honestly, watch this. Okay, you've noticed that I've been hiccuping the entire time? Yes. My hair is fantastic. Please don't comment. It's fine. Okay, so let's wait for one more hiccup. Alright, there it is. Very good. There was another small one there, you probably couldn't tell. This is the cure for hiccups. This is a true story. I mean, honestly. Hang on. Alright, there it is. Alright, watch this. Stare at the point where your finger reaches your hand. This might take a second. I believe they're gone. Me being drunk again, I will talk for a moment, but honestly, if you ever have hiccups, drunk hiccups are the toughest ones to get rid of, and I just got rid of them when I have actually gone through, what am I thinking of? I can't quite tell. I'm thinking about my hair again. When you are normal, when you're a normal human being, and you try to get rid of hiccups, if you have them, and you're not drunk, I've gotten rid of hiccups using this technique. Look at the point of your finger, right down. Okay, I'll touch it with my tongue. That point right there. Look at that point, and stare at it intently, and your hiccups will be gone. I don't think there's anything else that needs to be said because they're gone. I was not faking those. Anybody that says that those were fake hiccups in the beginning of the video, you can fuck yourself because nobody's that good of an actor. Have a transcendental day, folks, and enjoy yourselves. I'm going to go to bed. Good night.